Okay, so this shower area was resting on floorboards which were battened. There's the underside of the floorboards and battens on a concrete floor. As you can see, this is the good floorboards that I've left in place, and from there on was water damage. So I've cut them up. Up there they are, in there and there, and you can see the battens. This is all rotten through. And now, having got it up, we can actually see what I believe is the source of the original leak, and the original cause of all this water damage is from, you can see this is still wet. This is wet here, and it's where the worst of the mould, the worst of the black is. It comes down and like that. And this is the worst. Up this end is the worst. And earlier on, this joint here was wet, and I think this has been leaking. This is hot, the hot supply to the shower. It's a pumped supply. I've turned the pump off, and now the pressure's gone. It's dry, but when the pressure is on, I think it was leaking. So it's been leaking for quite a long time. And this one is the cold to the shower, and this is mains pressure. This one was dry. The mains is still on, and it's still dry. So I think this one had been leaking and caused water to sit here, be soaked up through the floor. Some of the boards have just disintegrated into mush, and then soak up into the timberwork that supports the shower base, which is now outside. There's another video on that one, and other photos. Soak up to the base, and that made it soft. And then of course the shower former started to deform, and the grout couldn't cope with the deformation because it was sinking, and the grout joints have cracked, and then they have let through more water going downwards and just made the matter worse. But the original cause, I think, is here. So this plumbing was leaking.